Juvenile records. Juveniles, of course, refer to children. Basically, anyone under the age of 18 is considered to be a juvenile in the state of Florida. You can see that delinquency records are considered to be confidential. Delinquency records are cases in which a juvenile is accused of a crime. It's really that simple. If a juvenile is accused of a crime, so if you have a 15-year-old, for example, who gets busted on drug charges, that's a juvenile delinquency case. And in a juvenile delinquency case, it is totally confidential. In other words, let's say there's a juvenile named, I don't want to keep using John Smith because there's probably someone in the audience named John Smith right now. I was like, oh, I hate that guy. So we'll say there's Jennifer Jackson. We'll go with that instead. There's probably a Jennifer Jackson also. So if there's a Jennifer Jackson, hopefully not in the audience, who is 15 years old, and Jennifer Jackson gets arrested for possession of marijuana or whatever the charge might be, and she gets arrested, she's a child, again, 15 years old. If you look her up in our eClerk system, you will not see anything. You will not find anything. Why? Because those records are confidential. You're not going to get a return that says, hey, guess what? There's a record out there and it's confidential. You won't see that. Okay? When it's confidential, you just won't see anything at all because we are prohibited by law from releasing that information. Dependency cases are the same way. Dependency cases are civil cases that are actually filed by the Department of Children and Families. So if there is an allegation or suspicion or accusation of some sort of abuse that may be taking place at home, the Department of Children and Families will often file a petition to take custody of that child, either temporarily or in some cases even permanently. Again, those cases are totally confidential. You won't be able to find anything relating to that.